बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरे YouTube चैनल द नॉलेज एरा 1 में आप सबको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। आज हम नया टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे जिसका टॉपिक है मेटाफर एंड टाइप ऑफ मेटाफर्स। मेटाफर के कुछ रिलेटेड टर्म्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे, मेटाफर को डिफ़ाइन करेंगे और इसके कितने टाइप्स हैं वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको नए अपडेट्स मिलती रहें। So first we will define what is a metaphor, then after that some related terms of metaphor, then its type. So first let we define what is a metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech. Here is a figure of speech. It is basically a figure of speech which shows comparison or resemblance between two different things. It basically shows a comparison. It shows direct comparison. Like we can say he is a lion. Like here a comparison is made on the basis of bravery. Like lion is a brave animal, so a person is given the qualities of a lion, that brave qualities, and directly is said that he is a lion. In this metaphor we omit like or as. These two terms, this as or like, we omit these two terms in the metaphor because these are the term of simile. If we look example here, like I said before, he is a lion. So look at the example, he is a lion. In this we omitted like or as and making a direct comparison between he may be somebody and a lion as an animal. So which quality does lion possess? Lion possess the quality of braveness. He is brave, confident, so we give those qualities to the person, he or any, we can say he, she, it or something else. So the qualities of a lion, braveness and confidenceness, boldness, is given to the person directly by just putting the name of a lion. So this is the definition and with the example of metaphor. Another example we can say Asia is a moon. Bright like moon. Moon is considered the quality, is the sign of beautifulness. So Asia here is given the direct quality for moon, beautifulness. Like Asia is as beautiful as a moon. Like when a moon is in the night shines very brightly, so that quality is directly given to Asia. So these were the metaphor here. So terms related to metaphor. Now we will discuss terms related to metaphor. Terms related to metaphor. So we will discuss this thing. Basically there are three terms related to metaphor. How many? Three terms related to metaphor. Those terms are: number one, object. I should write it capital. Object. Number two is image. Number three is sense. So first we will discuss what is object as in relation to metaphor. So metaphor, as we define, a figure of speech that shows a direct comparison between two different objects. So first is object. Here it is the term which is described by the metaphor. What is object? Object is basically a term which is described by the metaphor. It is basically a term which a metaphor describes. Like for example, we can say that the man is a sneaky rat. Example, here we will take a man is a sneaky rat. So here look at the example, man is a sneaky rat. Here we have the object man, because man is described by a metaphor. What was a metaphor? A sneaky rat. So here this is the metaphor, sneaky rat, because the sneaky rat quality is given to a man. So man, we have object here. So this man is an object. This sneaky rat, what does sneaky rat mean? That the rat sneaks everywhere. He is, like we can say, a craftiness quality. Sneaky rat, sneakiness is the craftiness of a rat. Thus man also possess craftiness quality. Thus this is given in that quality. Hope you have understand. Now we will discuss image. Image is, it is the term item. It is the item in term of which the object is described. A term, item which shows the quality or which possess the imagination of the object. Which item which we easily can describe? The item which describes a man. So we will discuss what is an image. Image is the item which describes object. Image, while using a metaphor, an image is found in our mind, that regarding what image this person is giving a comparison. Like the above example, man is a sneaky rat. This one, man is a sneaky rat. So in our mind the image is formed of a rat. Sneaky rat is the sneakiness is the qualities of a rat which is given to a man. So the image is formed of a rat as well as of a man. This is the term related to metaphor, image. Sense shows relation. How relation? When you give someone a metaphor, like man is a sneaky rat, she is like a flower. So here the image of flower and the girl is found in our mind. The sense in man is a sneaky rat. In this example, the sense is found that sneakiness, the craftiness, that how fast a mouse is how fast the mind of a mouse works as compared to the man. Man is somehow comparing to that sneaky rat. She is a beautiful flower, or we can say she is a flower. Flower is a beautiful. So sense is form of beautifulness. That the flower is a beautiful. If flower is beautiful, she is also beautiful. So here sense shows beautifulness between that thing. Man and a rat. Here the sense is sneakiness, the craftiness of both man and the rat. So this was the term related to metaphor. About coming toward the types of metaphor, what are the type of metaphor we will discuss in this topic. So following are the type of metaphors. Number one, we have dead metaphor. Dead metaphor. Number two, we have stock metaphor. Number third, we have recent metaphor. Number fourth, we have original metaphor. These are mostly used metaphors under type of metaphor. The other is cliche metaphor, or someone call him cliche. So these are the types of metaphor here. First we will define what is dead metaphor, then stock metaphor, then reset metaphor, then original metaphor, then cliche. What is dead metaphor? We will discuss here. Dead metaphor. Dead metaphor is the type of metaphor in which there is no figurative language. These metaphors have no figurative language. Here this thing means that they lack rhythm or rhyme. There is no rhyme, only simple sentences, and these dead metaphors have no use further, because they are look at the name dead. They signifies that these metaphor have no use, like that of this stock metaphor, standard, original metaphors. These are dead, finished metaphor. They have no further use. Like we look at the example here we have, like the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. So look at the example there. The ball is in your court. These metaphors are used on situation based on very little areas, like in very little situations, like we have when they are arguing on certain issues and one got a chance. So this metaphor fit there. The ball is in your court. It means that you got a chance, or it's in your hand what you wanna do or what you want not to do. So this is dead metaphor. We have another stock metaphor. Stock metaphor is also known as standard metaphor. This is standard metaphor. These are used very much. It is the type of metaphor that are not deadened by the overuse. They always convey the figurative sense. These are used accordingly, and they have a figurative language. Have a figurative language. They are not too much, they are not extensively used like that of dead metaphor. They are used according to their uses. Example, we have beauty is truth, truth beauty is truth, truth beauty. This is the example. The other we have recent metaphor. Recent metaphor. Recent metaphor, these are the type of metaphor that is produced through coining in the second language acquisition. There is second language acquisition. Coining refers to the invention of new words in a language. Occurs because of two languages. Well, like a person speak English as well as French or other the words of one language is combined with the words of another language, or sometimes it happens that the words of one language, the same language, are used and combined with the words of the same language, other words. Like for example, we have e-books. Here, what are e-books? E-books, electronic books, like online books. So here e-books, both are the words of same languages, English. So here electronic is used there, e for electronics, and books, it is electronics is concentrated for, and e is used here. So this is the example of recent metaphor. Or we can say other, like people are making their videos on YouTube, vlogs, so vlogs. So these are the some example of recent metaphor. So coming toward original metaphors, what are original metaphors? We will define. Original metaphors. It contains the core of an important writer's message or his personality and his comment on life. The author, through these metaphors, convey their ideologies and personalities. What are these original metaphors? These are the experiences and the core origination of the author's mind. What are these? Are the messages of a writer which he conveys through his books. He mainly experienced these words, what he conveys is like these original metaphors he had experienced in his personal life. For example, season of mist and mellow, fruitfulness, close blossom friends of the maturing sun. Heard melodies are sweet, while those unheard are more sweeter. Something like these metaphors. These are the core of the messages of the writer. Hope you have understand the lecture here. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. Please like, subscribe and share the video.